in your bio, you have there's no friends in dancehall.
No.
Really? Why do you say that?
But just I tell you, it's a learning process because if you really follow up on my work coming up, when I'm just coming up, most of the artists that you see now was around me, like on most of my platforms. You know? So yeah. And now you don't see them. So if you understand what I say.
Right.
This is read between the lines. Got it.
Got it.
So with that, right? What is one? I know you kind of mentioned a little bit, but what was the hardest thing to learn aside from that? Like, what was the hardest thing that you really had to be like, damn, like there really is no friends in dancehall?
And everybody can help. And some people don't. That's why me rather be corrupt than to be loving.
Corrupt.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, most people just want something to gain from you and then leave. They don't really rate your art or rate you. Them just want what you have to build up themselves so them can disrespect you. So it weird, but